In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stock to your Robinhood watchlist using the website. If you're looking to simplify your investing experience and keep track of stocks you're interested in, learning how to manage your watchlist is a fantastic place to start. I'll walk you through each part of the process, so let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Robinhood account on the website. Open your preferred internet browser and go to the Robinhood homepage. Enter your username and password carefully, making sure all your information is correct before clicking that login button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Robinhood dashboard, where you can see your portfolio along with recent market movements. Now, let's move on to finding the stock you'd like to add to your watch list. At the very top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click inside the search field and begin typing the name or symbol of the company or stock that interests you. As you type, Robinhood will show you a list of matching stocks. Choose the one you're looking for from the results. After clicking on your desired stock, you'll be taken to its detail page. Here you can check out additional information like the current price, past performance, key statistics, and recent news. This page is a handy spot to get all the info you need about a stock before making any decisions. On this same detail page, keep an eye out for the Add to Lists button. This feature is what allows you to organize and keep track of the stocks you care about. Go ahead and click Add to Lists. If you have multiple lists, you may be asked which one you'd like to use, but by default, it will go straight to your primary watch list. Now that you've added your stock, you might want to double check that it's there. To view your watch list, look to the right-hand side of the page and select Lists. In this section, you'll find all the stocks you've chosen to watch. This makes it really easy to monitor their prices and performance at a glance anytime you log in. Adding stocks to your watch list helps you stay organized and make well-informed decisions, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor. Remember, your watch list can be updated at any time, so you can always add or remove stocks as your interests and strategies evolve. That wraps up our walkthrough on adding a stock to your Robinhood watchlist using the website. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your investment portfolio efficiently.